In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure MX for Cloudflare domain. If you're setting up email for a domain managed in Cloudflare, you'll do that by adding MX records. MX, or Mail Exchange, tells the internet which mail server should receive email for your domain. Before we start, have your email provider's MX host names and priority numbers ready. Those values come from your provider's setup guide. First, open the Cloudflare dashboard and sign in. From the home screen, head to the domains area so you can see all domains in your account. Click the domain you want to configure. That opens the overview for that specific site. Next, go to DNS. In DNS, make sure you're on the records view where all existing DNS records are listed. We're going to add a new one. Click Add Record. In the Type dropdown, choose MX. This tells Cloudflare we're creating a mail routing record. Now fill in the details. In the name field, enter the host name this MX applies to. For most setups, that's the root of your domain, often shown as the @ symbol. If you're routing mail for a subdomain, enter that subdomain instead. In Mail Server, type the exact server name provided by your email service. It should be a fully qualified domain name, such as mail.examplemailserver.net. Double-check spelling here. One typo can break delivery. Choose the TTL. Auto is a safe default, letting Cloudflare manage how long resolvers cache the record. If your provider recommends a specific TTL, use that. Set the priority. Lower numbers mean higher priority. If you have more than one MX record, messages will attempt delivery to the lowest number first and fall back to higher numbers if needed. Use the priority values exactly as given by your provider. You can add a comment if you like, for example, the provider name or a note about when it was added. This is optional but helpful for future maintenance. Finally, click Save. Your MX record is now published. Cloudflare serves MX records as DNS only, which is correct. Mail traffic itself isn't proxied. Changes usually propagate within a few minutes, though it can take longer depending on caching. That's it. You opened Cloudflare, selected your domain, went to DNS, added an MX record, filled in name, mail server, TTL, and priority, added an optional comment, and saved. With the correct values from your email provider, your domain will be ready to receive mail.